right, gentlemen, I got another treat for you here today. You remember the signature fold, but we're going to do something called the double signature fold. This is where you can bring two beautiful colors or patterns in together to make one outstanding look coming out of your pocket. It will be a conversation piece for the night. But it starts with two pocket squares. So here's how we get this done. We take one pocket square and we lay it right over the top. You do preferably want them to be the same size. In this case, they're 11 by 11 inches in size. So we'll start here. I'm going to turn those over. Now what I do is I fold them in half 4 times. Well, actually 2 times in this case. So this is 1 and 2. So I got a perfect square here. Now here's how it goes. It's very important. So I take them 2 pieces at a time. 2 pieces at a time. I take this and I flip this back down inside it. Okay, so that's 1. Then I do the same thing here. I take one gray one and one gold one. I flip it back down inside it. See how I'm alternating the colors? And then I take a gray one and a gold one and I flip it back down inside itself. Tuck it in as far as you can. And then lastly, I flip that right over the top. So you see how I have alternating colors? Now here's the magic. We take this over the top, down to this point, and then we do the same thing on this side around the back. Okay, so I'm hanging on to this here. So this is what you end up with. Now, I'm gonna put this in my left hand and hold it like I'm spreading a deck of cards, and I grab one edge and I pull it apart. Now, it doesn't look like much just yet, but I'm going to hang on to this with my thumb, and then I'm going to bring the best pocket square holder into the picture. Squeeze at the top. Remember, it's deep down to the bottom. So squeeze. I tuck all this excess bottom in here. See what we're coming up with here. Now, once we get it in the holder, oh, see, it's starting to come together now. Now I do a little pinch and pull across the top. Pinch and pull, fluff that down a little bit. Look at those contrasting colors. You got 2 pocket squares in there, but you made it very tasteful. So keep in mind, before we put this in the pocket, this needs to rest along the inside bottom of your jacket pocket so it does not move. It'll stay in place all day long. And if your pocket is ultra deep, then all you do is pull more of the pocket squares out of the best pocket square holder to take up the difference in depth in your pocket, okay? So here we go. Let's see what we have created today. Insert, again, make sure it rests along the inside bottom of your jacket pocket. A couple of last quick adjustments, and look at what we created. That is called the double signature fold, only made possible by the award-winning best pocket square holder. This thing is awesome. You gotta have it. This is to a pocket square what a belt is to a pair of pants. You gotta have something to hold your pocket square up. All right, and then don't forget, we also have the slim version is available for more narrower pockets. This is only 2.5 inches wide at the top versus 3.5 inches wide at the top, so it'll accommodate any jacket pocket that's on the market. So there you have it, the double signature fold, only made possible by the best pocket square holder.